welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your answer on Quora. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Quora app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Following, Answer, Spaces and Notification. You have to go to Home, then on the top left corner you're gonna find your user icon. Tap on it. There you can see right below your user icon or your profile picture, there's a name. Select that. Under there you're gonna go to Profile. Now if you scroll down, right beside Profile you can see Answers option. Select that. Now select the answer that you want to delete. Right below the answer that you want to delete, there's a three-dot menu. Tap on it. From the menu appearing from the bottom of the screen, users have to go ahead and select Delete Answer, which is usually at the end of the screen. Select that, then tap on Confirm. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete your answer on Quora. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.